If you're planning to buy a used car in Alberta, there are a few important steps you should know before making the purchase. Let's walk through them in a simple way. First, be aware of provincial rules. If a car is being registered in Alberta for the first time, it needs an out-of-province vehicle inspection. If the car was written off by an insurance company, it has to go through a salvage vehicle inspection by a licensed technician before it can be registered again. Vehicles marked as non-repairable cannot be registered at all. They can only be sold for parts or scrap. To start any inspection, visit a registry agent and request the proper inspection form before you book an appointment. Next, you'll need to find a licensed inspection facility in Alberta. This is where the car will be checked to make sure it meets safety standards. Remember, unless stated otherwise, most used vehicles in Alberta are sold as is. That means any issues after the sale become your responsibility. Before buying, always inspect the car carefully. Don't just rely on the brand name or model reputation. Even the most reliable vehicles can develop problems if they haven't been maintained. If you aren't confident in spotting issues, consider bringing along a mechanic or booking a mechanical fitness assessment. Once you're satisfied with the inspection, review the paperwork and confirm everything matches up before you finalize the purchase. If you ever feel that a sale has been misrepresented or you run into questionable practices, you can contact the Alberta Motor Vehicle Industry Council, also known as AMVIC. They handle complaints related to automotive sales.